You go in the car, you be right behind if you have to. I don't think you gonna have to, but right underneath here. I mean, immediately as you go on the back side of this wheel, you got right here is your catalytic converter, and right above your catalytic converter is where your shifter cable's at that broke. Literally right by the actual pipe on the exhaust. And so, if I can get this to clarify a little better, yeah, right there. So this is what slid off right here. And it's on there good in the hell. I don't think it's going. I think I'm throwing it really, but that's perfect. Yep, that ain't going nowhere. And what happens is too, you got a little oil leak. You got a little oil leak, right? So you got a little oil leak coming out of your oil filter area. Okay. So it gets down there around too, so it helps it slip off of there is what it does. So I'm gonna do one last thing real quick for you. I'm gonna slide up underneath there and hit it with some brake cleaner. That way no oil goes slipping on it, so it makes it slip off no easier. Thank you. That's something I was just thinking about.